Here at Martin Chevrolet in Crystal Lake, and I've been hearing all about these electric cars. This will be my very first time driving it, and I thought that we could experience it together, and I am so excited, the Chevy Bolt. So let's check it out together. All right, let's do this. I am so excited. 247 miles. Let's start this Bolt up, shall we? And away we go. Oh, it's so quiet. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's got Sterno 5.5 on. All right, now let's drive this thing. Just leaving Martin Chevrolet. Thank you very much for letting me drive this. Oh, it's so smooth. It is so quiet. I love the big screen right here. And I have to tell you, this is so cool. The rear view mirror. It is like seeing real-time picture. I think that's even a better picture than my cell phone. Oh, this is so awesome. It actually tells you how many kilowatts you're using. I just keep thinking of Back to the Future, like gigawatts, right? And it makes me think how much money you will be saving on gas. This is so great with the Chevy Bolt. So I just want to test this out. Yes, when you hit the pedal, I mean, I'm gunning it. It just goes. It's got some zip. Oh, and I just noticed everything is on the screen here in front of you. All right, well, it's time to bring this baby back home to Martin Chevrolet. I have learned a lot about electric cars, and maybe you've been thinking about getting an electric car too. This has been such a great ride. I think that we've bonded on our little trip. If you need to take a test drive, come see my friends here at Martin Chevrolet. Thanks for driving with me. Oh, this is so nice. This is like Tina Bree proof with the backing up. Look at this camera. This is amazing. I feel like I can't do it wrong. Look at this. All right, well, we made it back. Just gonna bring the keys on in. If you do have any questions, please come here to Crystal Lake and see them here at Martin Chevrolet. Have a good day.